Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be cleaning my son's room. I hope you find this helpful and motivating, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up. If you are new here to my channel, welcome. My name is Selle. I am a working mom of 1 kid and 2 dogs, and I would love for you to come back and join my YouTube family. I make videos about fashion, lifestyle, and cleaning, and I upload new one every single week. Enough said, let's get into the video and start cleaning. I'm mostly tidying up and picking up tiny Legos all over the floor. If you are a mom that has a kid that likes tiny Legos, then you totally know what I mean. I need to wash his sheets and his mattress cover, so before I was able to put on the new sheets, I have to wait for the mattress cover first to dry. I don't know how mattress gets so dusty even when it's covered, but it does get pretty dusty, so I like to vacuum it every once in a while. Since I'm still waiting for the mattress cover to dry up, I'm just putting back everything on his bed so I can vacuum the floor. I'm just separating the books that he doesn't read anymore because he's getting a little older for it, and I will donate those ones. I always get new book for him because he does like to read, and we always read at night before he goes to sleep. On top of his dresser, he have these clothes that doesn't fit him anymore. They are getting smaller, so I need to sort it and see what I can give for my nephew and what I can donate. But I will be doing a separate video for that because I know he have more clothes in his closet that doesn't fit him anymore, so I need to declutter his closet. But right now, I don't really have time to do that, so I'm just trying to tidy up and clean what I can. But for my future video, I will, like I said, I will be decluttering his closet and his toys, obviously, because he have a lot and he doesn't play all of them. His mattress cover is finally clean and dry, so it's time to fix the bed.